So the other day when I was walking around, I thought to myself, what are some things that I could share with you guys that have made me more productive? So in today's video, we'll be talking about these 5 things that I have thought about since the start of 2024 that can also give you a boost of productivity. Number one, I started using Notion. Notion's an app, and it essentially puts all of my thoughts and all of my planning and all of my calendar and tasks that I haven't gotten around to into one app. It has helped me tons to even create YouTube channels. All my YouTube content normally goes into Notion as an idea, and then it gets structured into videos, outlines, scripts, and then it turns into videos. So I think it will be pretty helpful for you guys. Second, I started using Google Calendar. Google Calendar has allowed me to be able to time block and learn how to time block. Before, I thought we have 24 hours in the day, so why am I not getting around everything that I want to do? As it turns out, my commute is actually about 2 hours back and forth every single day. These weren't hours that I was actually accounting for. Now, with time blocking, I'm able to not only set time aside for my wellness, my health, and prioritizing time with loved ones, but also for my deep work, along with, my regular 9 to 5. Third is the pomodoro technique. Most people know it. It's pretty simple. There are many variations of it in the App Store and even on YouTube. You can search out Pomodoro technique, and you'll find that it's a very convenient way to study, to work, and to plan out your life. It essentially consists of 25 minutes of deep work and a 5-minute break, and you repeat it, and so forth. Normally, I give myself about a 45-minute deep work window before I take a 15-minute rest. I like to do it all at once. It's just how it works for me. Maybe it could work for you. Number 4, the power of routines. A lot of people don't like the monotony of a regular day or doing the same things over and over, but that repetition actually helps me accomplish my goals. So I try to work out at the same time every single day, eat my meals at the same times every single day. Of course, there's variations to routines and sometimes there's fluctuations. We are human after all. But sticking to an actual routine could give your life a little structure. And if you think about it, when we used to go to school, that's one thing that actually kept us on track to be able to do certain things and learn as much or as fast as we could. It was routine. Obviously, bless you. Love you. Number 5, accountability partners. It is very important for you to find somebody who has your best goals and your interests in mind. I find it that for me, having friends that have similar goals and values and want to be entrepreneurs and also want to provide for their loved ones allows me to propel my goals further because they're keeping me accountable and vice versa. That way, we're both learning off each other. 2 heads will always think better than one. Now, did we cover 5? The 5 productivity tips that I have told you about have worked for me, and I hope they could work for you. Keep in mind that there is millions of productivity tips out there and books, very good ones at that. Do your best every single day, conduct some research, and find out what works for you with trial and error. If you like today's video and you want to see more about productivity, then comment down below. Let me know what you think about this type of video, and if you like the conversation we just had today. And as always, keep crushing it. Like, subscribe, and comment. Peace.